Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. Don't you love that feeling of luxury you get from a really high quality bath towel? Well, these towels from BIOWEAVES have completely done that. I love these. So this is a 6-piece set. You get 2 bath towels, you get 2 hand towels and 2 washcloths. These are 100% organic cotton towels, and their density is 700 grams per square meter. So these are a super dense and very absorbent towel that is both soft and very plush. So just check out the pile on these. It is really soft, very comfortable and absorbent. And these towels are extremely generously sized. Just check out the size of this bath towel. I can very easily completely wrap up myself in this towel, and my husband, who is 6 feet tall, can also do the same. So these are great for anybody in your family. I got these towels in the charcoal gray color, and I think it's very beautiful, very classic. It has this really nice band detail here with a little bit of texture that adds some interest as well. So I have really enjoyed stepping out of the shower and grabbing one of these incredibly soft and absorbent towels. Really pleased with them. I love the fact that they are organic and made from sustainable materials. So if you're looking for a little bit of luxury in your home, I would definitely check out these cotton towels from BIOWEAVES. I am incredibly pleased with these towels. They are beautiful and extremely absorbent and super soft, and I think you're gonna love them too. That's my point of view.